I'm back. This time it's my Saraswati puja look. I know you guys are watching me after a long time, but I'll tell you the story later. So here I'm using this Jovi's skin toner. It's nice, it's very cool. And you can see I have some dark spot issues right now, so I use a medicated moisturizer. I'll mention the name, all the product details. This moisturizer is very good, but its smell is so bad, like literally very bad. But you know what? The glow is on point, like too good. Talking about this year was really good, like a mixed year kind of a thing. Till October hit it. October really changed everything. It turned my world upside down. My personal life got ruined, professional life, everything was so, so bad. Even I lost so many people, like real physical people who were so close to me. I just lost them overnight. They are just dead, and it's so tough to deal with everything. But still, you need to wear that smile to live on this planet. So here I am leaving with my makeup. Now I'll share a technique of holding the brush. You should not be holding it over there, not at the end. You should be holding your brush at the middle, okay? So that you get the finest grip and you apply the best pressure on your face to blend your makeup. This foundation is so good. Like, I literally love. Only 2 drops of Nykaa's foundation is enough for my entire face and neck. Now to secure my makeup, I'll use this FITme's powder. And okay, I have sugar's puff in it. I don't know how, but somehow it got misplaced. Whatever, sugar's puff is good for your, like, it helps in the application. This is my favorite elf palette. I love it, like more than myself. I love this palette because it has the perfect blush colors that goes with my skin complexion. I use this coral peach tint on my cheeks and on my nose. I have been using this Sugar's contour for a while now, and it has totally got my heart. Like, I have always been this powder contour girl, but now cream contouring has just got me. I know that I should have used this cream contour before applying powder, but I didn't because I felt not using contour, but then I felt like I can use some contour that will or uplift the entire look. It will not be that much casual and everyday kind of look, but also it will have some festive touch in it. So I ended up using contour.
আছি ভালো থেকো আকাশের ঠিকানায় চিঠি লিখো ভালো আছি ভালো থেকো আকাশের ঠিকানায় চিঠি লিখো দিও তোমার মালা খানি দিও তোমার মালা খানি বাউলে রে মনটারে আমার ভিতর বাহিরে অন্তরে অন্তরে আছো তুমি হৃদয়ে জুড়ে আমার ভিতর বাহিরে অন্তরে অন্তরে আছো তুমি হৃদয়ে জুড়ে
I want to show you people how actually it looks, so I'm gonna change the angle of my camera to give you a better view. I always prefer to remove your lip balm before applying lipstick or lip liner. It helps your lipstick to stay.
পাপড়ির আবডালে ফসলের ঘুম ঢেকে রাখে যেমন কুসুম পাপড়ির আবডালে ফসলের ঘুম তেমনি তোমার নিবিড় চলা তেমনি তোমার নিবিড় চলা মরমের মূল
Here I am almost done with the makeup. Now I'll jump with my junk jewelries. And